Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from AGM Mobile Smart Pad to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on whatever you want to and then tap on your device's display. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of HDM and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HDM, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect, thanks to this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!